Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy baingan. This classic dish features tender eggplant simmered in a deeply flavorful, aromatic sauce. We will guide you through each step, from selecting the freshest ingredients to achieving that perfect, restaurant-quality taste. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal that will impress everyone at your table, using simple techniques and readily available spices. To begin, choose 2 medium eggplants, roughly 1 pound, ensuring they are firm and glossy. Dice them into 1-inch pieces and lightly salt them to draw out excess moisture. You will also need 1 large onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 green chilies. Have your essential dry spices ready: 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of coriander, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now, let's build our flavorful gravy base. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your finely chopped onions and sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and green chilies, cooking for just 1 minute until their aroma fills your kitchen. Then, add the tomato puree and all your dry spices, simmering for 5 minutes until the oil separates. Once your gravy has thickened and the oil has separated, it is time to introduce the star ingredient. Gently add the pre-cooked eggplant pieces to the simmering, aromatic gravy. Stir everything together carefully, ensuring the eggplant is well coated. Let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and serve this delightful dish hot with rice or warm flatbreads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.